What's the meaning of AT&T? AT&T. AT&T.
AT&T. AT&T. AT&T is a multinational telecommunications company based in the United States. The name AT&T stands for American Telephone and Telegraph and has its roots in the original founding of the company, which was focused on telegraph services. Over time, the company expanded into telephone services and later became involved in a range of other telecommunications activities, including mobile phone services, internet services, and television services. Today, AT&T is one of the largest and most recognizable telecommunications companies in the world, with operations spanning multiple continents and serving millions of customers worldwide.